In this modern day, Google has become a household name. Just about everyone uses its search engine and its popular products like Gmail and Google Drive. But did you know that you can make about $800 a day using Google with zero money? If you think it's too good to be true to make money online with Google, keep your eyes and ears peeled because I'm going to hold your hand and walk you through how to do it. Of course, I can only help you if you're attentive enough to watch this 10-minute video till the end. You've got nothing to lose. We're all guilty of spending more than 10 minutes mindlessly scrolling our phones, right? Make your 10 minutes count this time by learning every second in this entire video. Then, you can start making hundreds of dollars a day even if you have zero money and make money online with Google. First things first, let me roll out the red carpet. Welcome back to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your Online Money Girl, and I teach people the best and newest ways to earn money online regardless of background and expertise. If you're fond of making money online with Google, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, slam that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you're always up to speed with the latest money-making online trends. Don't forget to comment down below if you have a money-making method you would like us to feature. This technique that I'm going to show you today is pretty cool. There will be no downloading, playing games, or answering surveys involved. What you'll learn today is actual work that someone is willing to pay money for. This is totally doable, even for beginners, but you need to pay close attention because this will be a series of steps and I'll be throwing in some tips and tricks all throughout the video, so watch out for it. Okay, so let's talk about Google News. Simply go to news.google.com and you'll find thousands of headlines from various news sources all around the world. Don't worry, you don't need to produce these types of content on your own. If you take a look at the left part of the page, you'll notice that there are news categories like business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You may source news articles from these topics, but in this video, we will pay the most attention to science and health. Let's say we click health. It will then be further divided into categories like latest, medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, and fitness. All of these will be very valuable sources of information which you're going to need later. I'll walk you through that in a bit. Just leave the tab open and let's open another one. Please type eatingwell.com/writers-guidelines. Eating Well is a food magazine that focuses exclusively on eating healthfully. They have an audience of over 9 million and they're quite popular in social media too. They welcome ideas from new writers and this is where you come in. But before you object and say, "Hey, I'm not a writer," or "I don't know how to do that," let me stop you right there for a bit. Just hear me out because in a little while, I will be sharing a secret tip that will solve that problem. So just trust and stick with me till the end, okay? Let me tell you first about the kind of articles they're looking for. They have what they call freelancer-friendly columns, Good Life and Good Health. Under Good Life, the categories are trends, travel, and thinking. Trends include the latest hot, healthy foods. You may include an origin story of the food, such as where it's grown or where it's made, a cool main character, captivating photo opportunities, a distinct location, products to try, and an eye to health. The travel section talks about foods in a specific location that's so worth sharing, you'd jump on a plane and get there tomorrow if you could. The thinking section, on the other hand, covers a controversial, timely, and pressing topic, like current events related to food. Topics can be around food policy, sustainability, social justice in the food industry, and etc. Now, prick up your ears because I will now be revealing how you can have a side hustle making money online using Google News with zero money involved. Based on the details that I've shared earlier about eatingwell.com, you pretty much have an idea what kind of articles they're looking for. Google News is the perfect resource for that. Let's say that you go to Google News and then to the Health tab and then choose the Nutrition section. Here, you'll find all the latest news about nutrition. Let's click on the latest one. When you do, of course, you'll now be able to read the entire article. Just leave that open for a bit. Select the parts that you would like to adapt to your own article and then go to spinbot.com. Spinbot is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite text into additional intelligent, readable text. Similarly, if you need a paraphrasing tool, Spinbot will get the job done for you for that purpose as well. Using Spinbot, you can instantly spin, rewrite, or paraphrase a chunk of textual content up to 10,000 characters in length or about 1,000 words. 10,000 characters is typically longer than an average website page or free freely distributed article. With a single click, you can turn any blog post or website article into a completely new one, thereby doubling the payoff you will get in return for the time and energy you have already invested into creating quality website content. Spinbot is lightning fast as well as free, so there's potentially no limit to the amount of free web content that you can create using this tool. Once you've spinned the article, it can now be considered fresh content and you can use it to submit to eatingwell.com. You can also merge ideas from various articles into one to make it your own unique write-up with the help of Spinbot. Now, you can send your submission to Eating Well and start making money online. Eating Well prefers pitches via email. You may send them to pitches@eatingwell.com. Please include Eating Well magazine pitch and appropriate department in the subject line. Your write-up should range from 150 to 400 words. Since they have a small staff, you can expect a response time in a couple of weeks. But if they like your pitch and publish your article, the pay rate is up to $1 per word. If you submitted an article with 300 words, that's already $300. If they like more than one of your write-ups, obviously you can make more. If you think that's it, you're in for a pleasant surprise because I mean it when I said you could potentially earn up to $1,000 per day using Google News. I'm going to reveal 2 more bonus websites where you can submit articles and get paid for it. But before I do that, why don't you show us how much you like this video by hitting that big thumbs up button and commenting down below which part you like best. Also, stay updated with the latest trends in making money online by subscribing to the channel and smacking the notification bell icon. Here's bonus website number 1. It's sierraclub.org. They are the oldest and largest environmental group in the US. They're looking for reported stories on a wide range of environmental and social justice issues. Feature lengths range from 3,000 words to 4,500 words, although that's rare, with payments starting at $1 per word and rising to $1.50 per word. They accept unsolicited pitches from various writers. If you'd like to find out more, you may read the full details on sierraclub.org/editorial-guidelines. The second bonus website is daily.jstor.org. JSTOR Daily is an online publication that contextualizes current events with scholarship. It can be said that they're a digital library for scholars, researchers, and students of all kinds that provides access to more than 12 million academic journal articles, books, images, contributed collections, and primary sources in 75 disciplines. To give you a quick recap, go to Google News, select an article or articles that you would like to spin or paraphrase at spinbot.com. The fresh article may then be submitted to websites like eatingwell.com, sierraclub.org, and daily.jstor.org. You can get paid up to $1 per word, so the more articles you spin and submit, the more money you can make, all with the help of Google News and Spinbot with zero money involved. If you've stuck with me this far and you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Tap on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be in the loop with the latest money-making trends. If you find value in this video, smash that like button so YouTube will show it to more people who can benefit from this as well. Thanks so much for watching. This is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next one.